videos are insane, let alone his look into the interrogations.
What going on?
This video, dude.
It might be hard to catch a Pokemon, but I'm still. I know what time it is.
Oh my god.
Hey. Yeah.
Poku.
Hey. Calvin, get somebody. Calvin, send somebody. Oh, these niggas crazy.
Dude, I fucking love this video, dude. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Okay, next, what is this? No longer watch this. This?